Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. The topic for today is determination of esters in alcoholic beverages. The main reagents required for this experiment is the standard sodium hydroxide solution of 0.1 normality, and second one is the standard sulfuric acid of zero point 0.1 normality. The main steps involving procedure are to the neutralized distillate from the volatile acidity determination, add 10 ml of standard NaOH and reflux on a steam bath for 1 hour. Cool and back titrate the unspent alkali against standard sulfuric acid. Carry out a blank simultaneously taking 50 ml of distilled water instead of distillate in the same way. The difference in titer value in milliliters of standard sulfuric acid gives the equivalent esters. Formula for the calculation is esters expressed as ethyl acetate is equals to V into 0.00888 into 100 into 1000 into 2 upon V1. Where V is the difference of the titer value of standard H2SO4 used for blank and sample enamel, and V1 is the alcohol percent by volume. 1 ml of 0.1 normality NaOH is equivalent to 0.0088 gram of ethyl acetate. Thank you for being with us, and for more information please log on to our website www.itlsacademy.com.